call them. They have the answers.
This is KABC radio.
It's going to pressure you into a more.
You know what they're doing now? They have a guy who burps, loud burp on the radio. They think it's funny, I guess. They play it periodically. 790 AM radio, Los Angeles. I don't know if that's all across the United States, but it's very obnoxious. I don't know why they feel they need to do this. They're usually a little bit better than other stations in LA in terms of obnoxious ads and behavior. So I just ask that they take it down, and if you don't like it yourself out there as well, let them know. We don't need that.